Hello, this is Gary Franke at Achieve Alpha Insurance. Today I wanted to go through individual health insurance for people that are getting laid off. First thing I want to say is I'm sorry to hear about your situation, with either it's a short-term or long-term layoff, whatever you're going through. If you do need to get your own individual health insurance or go over the options, we are a registered producer through the Washington Health Plan Finder. So if you need health insurance in Washington State, sometimes we'll tell you to go with your carrier with the Cobra insurance. Sometimes we'll help you get the individual. We will help you get the right thing even if we don't make a sale. Our goal is to assist our clients and do a really quality job at that. If you have any questions, you can call or text message us at 425-802-2783. Just a quick disclaimer, this is just an overview video. We'll go into more detail specifically for your situation. First thing I want to say is we are two different insurance agencies, Achieve Health Insurance and Basin Pacific. We primarily do individual health insurance, but if you need life insurance or auto or homeowners, we have a lot of carriers for each line of coverage and help you get the best deal. So what to do when you get laid off? You really have about four options. If your employer is more than 20 people and still in business, you generally can get coverage for up to 18 months at the price the employer was paying. Usually Cobra is not the best deal. However, if it's at the end of the 18 months, you have to get an individual plan or go on a different employer. Cobra is a little bit more expensive for younger people because it's the same price if you're 30 or 60. So in that scenario, if you're a little bit older and you have a little bit higher income, Cobra is usually the best value. The individual plans are based off your age and tobacco use. So if you're younger, individual plans are generally cheaper. Or if your income is below a certain level, there'll be a tax chart for tax credits on the next page. If you have lower income, you pay less under the Affordable Care Act. That's just how it works. You can get a cost share plan. These are only for healthy people with no prior health issues. It's a non-insurance based product, but it works similar to a healthcare coverage. Or do nothing. So if you don't want to do anything for a few months in between coverage, or that's the cheapest plan, but we can help you go through the options. Regardless of it being short term, long term, or you're just looking to find a new job or work for yourself in the long run, we can help give advice based off of what your needs are. So just let us know and we'll walk through it. The one thing at the Health Plan Finder, we will help you look up your doctors, your prescriptions, the hospital networks, and if you get tax credits and how they work and how to implement them, if you owe money back or they owe you money at the end of the year. The one thing is a smart plan finder at the very end when you're enrolling is not very accurate. Do not trust it. You want to look specifically at the insurance carrier sites. We found a lot of errors going through the health plan finders. At the very end, it makes you go through the smart plan finder to look up doctors. Just skip it. Go to the very bottom and go to the next page. We can help you enroll in the health plan finder for the individual coverage. We can do it all for you. We generally do a screen share program and just streamline it all. Here's the income level for getting tax credits. So look at the size of your household for the full cost level. And then if you make below that for 2020, which the year is not over, then you can get tax credits. Here's the insurance carriers that are in Washington State through the health exchange to get coverage through them. And here's our website. So if you have any other questions, you can go here to our website and click on the press play button if you want to watch the more detailed on the individual plans. If you already have a plan and you just simply have questions or help, any commission we make is built into the price. So literally it's free to you to work with us. We get a small price in there, but if you'd be willing to click on the Find a Broker button and then put my last name in there, Franke, Franke, and either myself, Tamara, we can help you out, go through the plans and options. It will send me a little request. You click on Request Help, proceed, and then you're done. And we can help you out going forward. You can call us, you can text message us. My email address is there as well. And then the Ultracost share plan, here's just a quick overview of those plans as well. They're very low cost and affordable because they only cover new health issues. This can be a better option than doing nothing, and you can keep this as long as you want to. It works throughout the whole United States with the Physicians Network. So in conclusion, if you're getting laid off, we want to be a resource to help you through this time, or if you're just going to be working for yourself going forward. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we will talk to you soon.